June 4, 2025. Are we on the edge of a global currency revaluation? Full breakdown of the IQD and VND buzz, a financial crossroads, 500 to 700 words. Welcome to June 4, 2025, a potentially historic date for currency holders. Setting the stage, IQD and VND in global financial conversations. Purpose of the article, clarity, safety, and strategic readiness. 2. What's sparking the buzz? 900 to 1,000 words. Summary of today's online chatter and financial forums. Why this moment feels different. Trending forums, Telegram channels, and banking rumors. Real-time signals versus social media noise. 3. Economic foundations, Iraq and Vietnam's long game, 1,000 to 1,200 words. Iraq's post-conflict rebuilding, oil revenue, and CBI reforms. Vietnam's industrial boom, trade deals, and foreign investment inflows, macroeconomic indicators supporting long-term currency strength, the role of monetary tightening, inflation control, and debt reduction. 4. Behind the curtains, banking simulations and rate testing, 900 to 1,100 words, internal bank protocols, dry runs, system stress tests, and audit trails. How central banks prepare for major FX events, past historical examples of financial institutions quietly testing before revaluation or currency reforms. 5. Understanding redemption centers, myth or movement. 800 to 1,000 words. What are redemption centers? How they could function. Biometric ID, legal screening, currency validation, the role of Tier 1 banks and compliance officers, status of these facilities as of June 4, 2025, fact-checking the reports. 6. Safety. First, avoiding scams in the hype era, 700 to 900 words, common scams targeting IQD VND holders, VIP redemptions, fake brokers, Telegram impersonators. How to verify a legitimate offer, cybersecurity checklist for currency holders, warning signs of fraud and phishing emails. 7. What a revaluation could look like. 1,200 to 1,400 words. Hypothetical scenarios. What if the IQD goes to $1, $3.22, $4.38? What would it mean for the Vietnamese Dong? Immediate FX market implications and liquidity concerns. Global investor reactions and geopolitical echoes. Historical case studies. Kuwait, China, Zimbabwe. Comparisons and caution. 8. The tiered redemption theory. What to know. 800 to 1,000 words. What is tiered redemption? Speculated tiers from private groups to public appointments. How banking institutions might segment by volume, nationality, or account history. What it means for the average holder. 9. Taxation trusts and strategic financial planning, 1,200 to 1,400 words. What happens when you convert your IQD or VND? Capital gains implications. Why you should speak with a CPA or fiduciary now. Setting up family trusts, living wills, and estate planning after revaluation. Avoiding IRS red flags. 10. The psychological game, mindset over hype, 700 to 800 words, managing FOMO, stress, and false urgency. How not to panic sell or fall for get-rich-now hype. Emotional readiness for sudden financial change, stories from previous market moves where emotion ruined gains. 11th, staying informed, trusted sources and real-time tracking, 700 to 900 words, where to check real exchange rates, Forex, Bloomberg, CBI, SPV, avoiding social media disinformation, verified sites to follow for live market alerts, role of official banking portals versus chat groups. 12th, final thoughts and action plan, prepare like it's real, even if it's not yet. Your revaluation readiness checklist, paperwork to gather, passports, receipts, certificates, financial advisors to talk to, setting up a secure multi-stage exchange plan, call to action, subscribe, consult, and prepare. SEO and trending keywords, integration keywords to embed throughout. Iraqi Dinar, revaluation, 2025 Vietnamese Dong exchange rate, IQD to USD forecast, VND currency update, June 4th RV rumor, redemption centers explained, IQD scam, prevention, currency exchange strategy, global financial reset 2025 Forex market prediction, strong call to action. CTA. Encourage readers to subscribe to your channel and turn on notifications. Invite them to upcoming financial expert interviews. Offer a downloadable revaluation prep checklist as a lead magnet. Remind them, stay informed, stay protected, be strategic.